Last year, I told this story of how I transformed my body and lost 30 pounds. But at the end of 2023, I kind of fell off my routine and gained some of the weight back. Right now, I'm currently 144 pounds, height of 5 foot 4 inches, and I'm currently documenting my step-by-step journey of getting back into a healthy routine, a healthy lifestyle. I am temporarily eating at a calorie deficit to help assist with my weight loss, and I'm also combining this with strength training and running. So if you're currently looking for meal ideas, if you're in a calorie deficit, or just curious about what I eat in a day, keep watching, and I hope you enjoy my what I eat in a day. Currently, I'm going to the gym 4 to 5 days a week, and I'm trying to get about 1,700 calories in, which I calculated online based on my weight, my height, and how active I am. Now, I don't track my calories every single day, but once you do it one time, you find you just end up eating the same things until you get bored of it. So yeah, that's kind of what I go by. I need to start my day off with something to give my body fuel for the workout. So this is what I eat as my pre-workout snack: rice cake, a little bit of almond butter, half a banana, and of course some water to wash it down. I can put it together and digest it pretty quickly. Let's get this workout in. Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Okay, back from the gym, just got ready for work. Now, honestly, I've never really been much of a breakfast person, but when I start working out again, I realize that my appetite goes up and I really need something to fuel me before lunchtime. So I'm gonna show you the breakfast bowl that I make. It only takes less than 15 minutes. It's super quick, it's filling, and protein rich, most importantly to keep us full for the rest of the day. And I used to plate everything nicely, but honestly, I found that I like breaking everything into bite-sized pieces because it's easier to eat while I'm getting ready, and it still gets the job done. Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Wake up in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move, body giving single views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover goals, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. And there is my protein bowl. Super quick, super easy, and really delicious. This is roughly 330 to 360 calories. Okay, I've got to go to work now, but I'll catch up with you guys for lunch and show you what we're gonna eat then. Okay, y'all, got back from work. Honestly, this day is flying by. It was like meeting, email, meeting. So it's already lunchtime. I'm gonna show you this really quick lunch. I usually meal prep a lot of these items, but because I wanted to walk you through step by step, I'm gonna take you through everything that I do, but it's pretty much a nice little bowl that you can take to work, to school. You can just pack it with you. I like having a more voluminous but light lunch. So I'm gonna show you everything that I put into it. So I'm gonna walk you through all of our ingredients. We have bell pepper, Roma tomato, cucumber, cooked black beans, and quinoa. Half a cup of cucumber, a whole tomato chopped, 1 medium bell pepper, half a cup of black beans, half a cup of quinoa. We're gonna put some lemon, salt, and pepper. Okay, so there we go. Like I said, it's a really voluminous lunch, which I really like. The quinoa has all sorts of protein, so that's really what's gonna keep you full. And then as for tomato and cucumbers, that's kind of like a hack that you can add to basically anything to help with that volume to keep you full and make you feel like you're eating a lot more with very minimal calories. All of this together tracks up to about 377 calories, which is pretty good and still light for a lunch to be able to get through the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this now. All right, y'all. end of the day and almost final meal of the day. So for dinner, signed up for HelloFresh. Do HelloFresh 5 days out of the week, like a huge mental load off, not having to think about what I'm gonna make for dinner. We just follow the directions and it's easy. We feel like we've accomplished something. And what's nice is it even gives you the calorie count estimate. So the one we're gonna do tonight is 650 brown sugar bourbon pork chops. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the brown sugar bourbon tonight.
You love you a real one. Pull up when the shit done. Roll out, let me feel some. I just wanna feel some. Fall through, let me feel some. Weak spot for the brown eyes. And them low lights glowing on you. What you want, I'm outside. Spin the block on the downtime. Hold me down, don't fold on me. I'm him to the gravestone. Shirt say 6, I'm a ghost son. You let him post to the camera. I like you better than cannabis. You left the city that gave you the head on your shoulder. You got a advantage. Jump on my line when it's
We're starting now.
That pork is crispy. That's brown sugar crispy.
bless your heart. Hey, go and protect your heart. Sit down, I'ma hold that line. Only know how to play my part. Say so when I make that mine. Hold on, let me take my time.
I'm making applesauce.
Only know how to play my part. Say so when I make that mine. Hold on, let me take my time.
There you go.
Say so when I make that mine. Hold on, let me take my time.
All right, and that is our dinner. It looks really, really good today. So usually at the end of the day, we just dig in, watch some TV, watch some YouTube, and just chill together. So that's what we're gonna do now. Let's eat this up.
My part. Say so when I make that mine. Hold on, let me take my time.
It's the end of the night, y'all, and my favorite part personally, dessert. I've got a few different options. I calculated my calories. I have 130 left for the night. So I have a few different options. These Yasso bars, Yasso are my favorite. Chocolate, I really like this mint chocolate chip one, but I just got these coffee chocolate chip too. And my other favorite is Halo Top. I really like this one, which I think I'm gonna go with this one tonight. 120 calories for a 2/3 cup. So I'm just gonna put this in a bowl. This is great for the nighttime. Whenever I'm just sitting down editing at the end of the night, to be able to munch on something. And also chocolate just really hits the spot for that craving at the end of the night. I'm gonna get some of this.
Hold on, let me take my time.